Hey, are you someone that loves fresh herbs? Or maybe you have a garden, you have a ton of fresh herbs. So let me introduce you to Pampered Chef's herb tools, and they actually all come in a set as well. So if you're new here, hi, my name is Claudia, and I love to teach people quick, easy recipe, budget friendly, also some Italian or German recipes in there as well, and show you the best tools, the Pampered Chef products. So these are our 3 products that we have for herbs. So we have our herb mill, we have our herb stripper, and we have our herb keeper. Okay, so the way the herb keeper works, so right here I have some parsley. Okay, the base right here holds your water, so you fill it up with water up to about right here where you can see it. So your herbs are sitting in that water, but they're not drenched in that water. You can change out the water every couple days, and then you put the lid on it, and it kind of acts like a greenhouse, and it keeps your herbs like in your fridge for like 2 weeks or even more. It's really cool because they don't go bad as quickly as if you leave them in that plastic bag you get them at the grocery store. And it looks kind of cool. Like if somebody opens your fridge, they're like, what is that, right? So that is the herb keeper. It does have an insert for other herbs like rosemary or dried oregano, anything that is a little hardier herbs, and you can put those in here, and it just kind of clips to the side on the inside. So that is the herb keeper. The other thing that we have is a little herb stripper. Okay, it's got all kinds of different sizes, but this one is really cool. The big size is really good for kale. So if you're trying to get rid of those stems, right, this one will be great for kale. So you just kind of find your size, and then you just pull, and you get rid of those stems as well. But my favorite thing to use this for is kale, okay, because nobody likes those stems with kale because they are gross. Okay, so you have that, and then the last one is actually my favorite, which is the herb mill. So it has this little ball in here. I want you to hear how heavy this is. It's like heavier than a golf ball, right? Because you need it to grind your herbs and get them to go through this little slot right here, which is going to grind them. So you want to make sure your herbs are dry, because if they're wet, they kind of just all clump together. Fill your herbs in here. This is really cool for like your pasta night, or maybe you put cilantro in here and you have like a fajita bar, and it looks really awesome. So you kind of want to bounce the ball around until it grabs some herbs off. Obviously, you should remove the base right here, okay? And then you just push this, and you just kind of keep going like that, and you grind your herbs right here. So this would be great over some pasta, right? You could just kind of have some fun with that. So you can see they're like nicely finely chopped, and it looks cool on your dinner table as well. So these are Pampered Chef's herb tools. So if you're interested in them, just click the link, all right? Or send me a message, and we can talk about how you can earn those for free. So ciao for now.